Hey everybody, sorry I'm a couple of minutes late and having a little bit of problems with the internet connection, which is normal in this day and age. So here we are on Thursday, July the 17th, 2025. I hope you're all well wherever you are in the world. And Wall Street just got opened about 4 minutes ago. So the US session is now open for trading. And we had news come out about 1 hour ago. And you're looking at the calendar on the screen there, and that's what we usually look at forexfactory.com. And we had three items, high impact items from the US news, and the core retail sales, and unemployment. And all of those were much better than forecast. Better than forecast, and also much better than. So it's all good to have any kind of an influence on our trading. We just have to see what the market is going to be. It came back up. Oh, here we go. Give me 1 second. And on the screen. I throw away. Okay, it looks like, yeah, I managed to still be here. Oh my God. And I don't have the right chart on the screen. Let me just change that. Here we go. Now we've got it. Now all I need to do is just share this screen. Now we are cooking. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Just a little bit of an internet problem, which we have sometimes all over the world. Nothing unusual. So we can see day one chart is still neutral on gold, although I'm expecting it to turn bearish in the next day or two. And the H4 chart is definitely bearish. You see we've got lower highs, and we keep getting lower lows. And right now trading at 33.17. We did get down after the news came out. We got down to 33.08, 33.09, right in that area. But I'm expecting gold to come down to our next level here, which is 32.90. And that's where I have my take profit. I have a couple of short trades open, small short trades. So I'm expecting now that Wall Street is open and the US session is getting in gear, then they will continue pushing this down. It already went down and touched 33.09. So I'm expecting it to go back down there and then continue down to our next support level, which this is where we were last week, okay, at 32.90 zone, right in there. That's where we were last week. So it's not unusual that we should come right back down to there again and test that support level. They call it testing the support level. But of course, the market sentiment is what it is, and it can change. And sometimes the market has an opposite reaction to the news. So we just have to wait and see. Be patient. And of course, if you're taking a short trade, be sure you use a stop loss, put it up behind your trade, and protect your capital. Most important, protect your capital. And remember, these videos I'm making, this is sharing on Facebook and YouTube. This is not for, I'm not recommending that you take these trades. This is not financial advice. I'm, only for education, okay, trying to help you with your forex trading, give you an idea of what's going on with gold and currencies. We won't look at the currencies, okay? Everything is pretty bearish against the US dollar right now this week. I think it's only a short-term thing because the dollar is not very strong. But let's look at Bitcoin right quick. We always like to look at Bitcoin, see what it's doing. And as I told you on day before yesterday, that you could buy Bitcoin at 116, and that's exactly where it was, 116, and then you would have done very well because it came up to 120. It made $4,000 in one day. But now it's pulled back, which is normal. That's a retracement. We get that all the time, retracement, retracement, retracement. But 116 is still a very strong support level. We had that here day before yesterday. We had that here last week. 116 is a good price to buy Bitcoin. So buy limit on Bitcoin at 116, 250, $116,250 buy Bitcoin. And then we should see it accelerate back up to 120 and maybe even to higher prices. So let's jump over at gold and see what it's doing now. Still kind of not, haven't made a decision yet. It's dropped just a little bit since I've been speaking. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. Yeah. So it made this big drop when the news came out. Then it pulled back up to our level here at 33.13, but now it's starting to fall back down. And I believe in the next hour or so in the US session, we will see lower prices down to even our next support level here at 32.92. So I am short gold right now with take profit at 32.92 and stop loss just above that at about 33.37 in that zone, just to protect the capital so that I don't blow up my account. Okay? All right, I hope this helps you. Be sure that you share on Facebook, like, love, and share. If you're watching on YouTube, be sure you've subscribed to the YouTube channel. And of course, you have the YouTube channel address, and that is youtube.com/@RickRay. And be sure and click that little bell so you'll be notified every time I make one of my videos, which is every Sunday. I do a weekly analysis for gold, currency pairs, and crypto. So thanks again for being here wherever you are in the world. I hope you have a great session of trading in the US session. I'll see you again tomorrow, same time.